Let's start with some housekeeping before we get into the pose. Let's maintain a neutral pelvis. Engage your core to help you balance in this pose by bringing your belly button to your spine. Then lengthen the lower spine and your entire spine actually, and lower your shoulders. So let's begin. Stand with your feet hip distance apart. Lift your toes to feel all four corners of your feet pressing into the earth. Take a few moments to feel and find your balance. Now shift your weight over to your right leg and bring the sole of your foot to press against your right ankle, using your toes as sort of like a kickstand. Feel free to stay here or bring your foot further up to mid-calf. Tree, no knee. Do not place your foot on your knee. If you would like to go further, bring your foot up to your inner thigh. Press your foot into your thigh as you press your thigh into your foot. Keep the core engaged and lengthen the spine to create balance. Find a drishti or focal point in front of you to help you balance, or take your awareness to your navel center to activate this area and enhance your sense of balance and centering. As you rest and press deeply into the earth, sense roots growing downward to create a sense of support and stability for your standing leg. And as you inhale, raise your arms up over your head and drop your shoulders. With each inhale, sense your rib cage lifted and lengthening your entire body. As you exhale, sense your connection deepening to the earth. As you inhale, bring in light from 360 degrees around you from the universe. As you exhale, release all tension, stress, limitations, and what no longer serves you through the roots into the earth for purification. Now let's switch to the other side. Shift your weight to your left leg, kickstand at the ankle, or bring your foot up to half calf, or anchor it at your inner thigh. Snug your foot into your thigh and your thigh into your foot. Shift that leg open if you can to open up the hips as you engage your core and lengthen your spine. And as you inhale, raise your arms up, lowering your shoulders, feeling strength through your arms. Feel the energy move out your fingertips, and stay connected to your breath. Repeat this affirmation if you choose. I am balanced, I am centered, and I am whole. And may you use the energy of this pose throughout this day to recenter and balance. And so it is. Namaste.